So 100-watt system. So here the metal is being cleaned, the metal plate. The engineer technician is cleaning it with our laser cleaner 100-watt system, and the radiation technician is measuring the disintegration per minute. And this tube goes to the vacuum pump through the HEPA filter, so collects all the debris. You can see that the laser head is all wrapped in plastic bags, so that it doesn't get contaminated. Here there's a C clamp that is being cleaned. It's radioactive, so after 2 passes with laser, it went down to less than 1,000. Initially it was 5,000. Here you can see the body of the C clamp is being cleaned. There is a curvature there. And here is a torch head is being cleaned. It was 15,000 before, and after 2 passes it was 4,000. And finally, there's a concrete block, which was the most difficult one. That's why it has a small beam, because there's kinds of pore structure. So there has all kinds of porous structure, which makes it more difficult to clean.